guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this YouTube video. Before I start this video, you guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers! Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And I know that can be really small to other people, but y'all, like, my first 1,000 subscribers. And I'm saying first because I am praying and manifesting more, okay? I'm coming for that plaque. Alright, so I'm just so excited. Thank you so much to everyone who is subscribed. Thank you so much for everyone who watches my videos. It means, y'all, it means so much to me. Like, I'm so excited and I'm just thankful that I have you guys, and I'm just so thankful, you guys. So welcome to the journey, you know what I'm saying? If y'all are new, my name is Patricia. I am gonna do an about me video soon so that, you know, y'all can get to know more about me, but I just wanted to quickly stop the video before like I actually started talking about what today's video was, and just say thank you guys because I'm so grateful and I'm so happy. All right, so let's get moving with the video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing my summer foundation routine. I do these every summer, fall, winter, just because it does change a lot. And I've actually incorporated a lot of things this particular summer. So if y'all want to know how I got this look and what I've been liking and using during this summer, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. I have already done my eyebrows, put on my lashes, prepped my eyelids, and all that jazz. But besides that, I don't have anything like on my face. So we're gonna start from the beginning. So of course, we're gonna be starting with primer. So the primer that I like to use, they have to be matte. Y'all know I mention this every time I do my makeup. It be hot, like, I be sweating, okay? I be oily and I be sweating, so I try to always go in with a mattifying primer. I really like the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. The reason why I like this primer is because I actually feel like I have big pores, and this definitely minimizes those. Wow, where's my mirror? Mirror, okay. And then after I put on the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, I like to use the Becca Evermatte Poreless priming on the other areas of my face. Okay, so the next step that I like to do is use some type of powder over my primer. So what I've been liking is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and the reason why I like this, I have it in the shade dark. I have two of these, but I use the shade dark to put before I put on my actual foundation, just because it helps make your foundation look very flawless, and it also keeps you matte. I used to do this with translucent powder, but I feel like my makeup comes out more flawless when I actually use a colored powder. Okay, so once I'm done using my Fit Me powder, also I don't think I mentioned this, but I also like to use a colored powder because it kind of works as a color corrector. So that's another reason why I like to use a colored powder. But after my powder, I like to go in with my foundation. Y'all, this foundation, it has literally been my go-to for the entire summer. Well, spring and summer, because it's been hot for a minute. But this is the Bite Beauty Changemaker foundation. I was sent this to review a couple of months ago, and you guys, this is really, like, the title Changemaker changed my life. Y'all, like, I love this foundation. I feel like it's a really good summer foundation for a lot of reasons. I feel like, for one, it's very lightweight. But it still gives you that coverage that you need to at least look like you have on makeup, and to kind of make your skin tone look the same and just neutralize everything out. But I love that it's not drying on your face as well. It still gives you moisture, but it's not overbearing because like I said, it's hot in Texas and you don't want to feel like when you're already sweating and then you have stuff all over your face. Like, you don't want that feeling. This is so lightweight but still gives you everything you need in a foundation, as if you like mattifying foundations and full coverage foundations like me. And as well, the color, baby, I love this color. Y'all know, like, it's kind of hard for me to find my foundation shade. It used to be hard just because things weren't dark enough, but now I have the issue with companies kind of skipping over my skin tone and other people's skin tone that are dark, but they're not like as dark, but they're still not light, you know, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like a lot of companies are just trying to have like that one deep shade that they just throw at the end to be like, oh well, look at us, like we care about y'all too. But anyway, let me get off my soapbox because I can go on and on about that, but this video ain't for that. But yeah, like I said, Bite Beauty Changemaker foundation is what I've just been going to this whole entire summer. Okay guys, up next, the concealer that I've been loving for summer is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I don't even remember when this came out. I don't know if this came out during the summer or if this is actually an older product, but I literally adore this concealer. It's very mattifying, very full coverage, but it's easy to wear on the face and it does not move. Like, this is the concealer, you guys. So I know it's very popular, even I do it, to let concealer sit on your face, but with this, don't do it because it dries down very quickly. So go ahead and blend it out right when you put it on. Okay, so after I'm done blending out my concealer, I like to go in with another shade of the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade Deep, and this is what I use to set my under eye. Okay, and I know you're thinking, flashback. Trust me, this powder is really good. It's gonna come out good in the end. I promise. I'm not gonna go out like this, I promise, okay? So after that, I like to then go in with the Huda Beauty powder, and I just slightly just put this on top of this, and I kind of just bake with it. And I use like the slightest bit of this. And now that I have my powder on, while I let that sit for a little bit, I like to contour, and I'm excited about this because I feel like this summer was my first time being able to contour. There's so many different products that came out. Rihanna came out a little bit earlier in the year with her contour, and I do like to use that, but I want to kind of use that in the winter just because it is a foundation. It is liquid, and you know, I just feel like I already have too much stuff on my face. I wish it was a powder one that was good, but on her line that is. But everybody knows Makeup Revolution came out with their bronzers that I use as a contour. Tammy collaborated with Makeup Revolution earlier in the summer. You guys, she literally made the best contour for me, like you guys. So obviously this is what I use to contour. It is like the best deep shade for me, and the reason why is sometimes, you know, like I mentioned, like a lot of companies just want to have like this really deep shade, and don't get me wrong, especially with like the contours that came out and the bronzers that came out, it was lovely, but this shade, I don't think it's coming off as dark as it is in real life, but this is really deep. I think my light is kind of messing it up. And Tammy chef kisses. I love her. Like, I love her for this. So while this is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my contour. Tammy, thanks boo. That's all I can say. Like, thank you boo. So when I'm done with that, I then like to go ahead and brush off the powder that I have on my face. Then I go in with a spray. This one I picked up at my local TJ Maxx, and it's a mattifying spray, makeup setting spray. And so I like to just spray my beauty blender because obviously, you know, the powder has set, and I like to kind of use this just to kind of take away some of that extra color and powder that has accumulated by setting it underneath my eye. Next, to go ahead and set everything underneath my eye. I know it's a lot going on, but I tend to crease a lot, and this is where I get the most oily, so that's why I try to put a lot of powder right there. But I also go in with the Fit Me Matte Poreless. And this also acts to highlight a little bit more as well. Okay, once I put that on, I then like to go in with my Lancome powder and just kind of put this all over my face. The highlighter that y'all know, this really doesn't change. It's the Maybelline by Face, well, what is this? The Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Molten Gold. I love this highlighter. And then last but not least, I like to go in with my Quick Fix. This is the sister brand's Makeup Revolution that just came out this summer. This is in the mattifying spray, and I adore this. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all are still watching, thank you so much. I really truly do appreciate everyone who watches this video, and especially those who make it to the end. Please don't forget to go ahead and click that like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed, baby girl, what are you doing? Okay, go ahead and subscribe as well, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.